Agent nouns. Let us read the following sentences. A baker is one who bakes cakes and biscuits. An actor is one who acts. In these sentences, the nouns baker and actor refer to people who do some particular kind of work or activity. Such words are known as agent nouns. Agent nouns ending in er. Example: archer, barber. Agent nouns ending in ar. Burglar, peddler. Agent nouns ending in ist. Example: dentist, florist. Agent nouns ending in or. Example: vendor, sculptor. Agent nouns ending in ian. Ian, librarian, magician, physician.